Hi everyone, it's Ali and welcome back to the Heffydoodle YouTube channel. Today I have made some really cute crafty little helpers with the mice from Hello Squeakheart. So I've used the Hello Squeakheart set obviously and just made the mice from that, and I've used the Unbearable Without You, just the little crafty tools from that set as well. I've drawn up my own desk and drawers just with my T-ruler and my Copic Multiliner, which was fairly easy to do, and I've just used a little bolt from the Bots of Love set for a handle for the drawers as well. And I've also used some Digi stamps from Isabelchristi, a little stool and some stamps dies, little stamp and a glue gun. Just using my Heffy Memo tape to mask off the bottom, and I've got a silicone mat, which is a really cheap pet feeding mat from Kmart, which works really great, and I'm just going to use that while I ink up my stencil, which is the Ring of Rosies stencil from Heffydoodle, and I've got my Spun Sugar Distress ink there and one of my El Cheapo make cosmetic brushes that I bought from Kmart Australia, and I find them fantastic for detailed stencils. They're really, really good. Right, just removing my mask from the bottom of the card, and I've stamped up my little mice, and I'm just adding the tail to those, just using my acrylic block. So just stamping that up. This one was a little bit long, so I just wiped off a little bit with my finger and then stamped it on so it was a little bit shorter. I've also stamped up those little crafty tools and some of the cheese as well to finish it off. Now just colouring in my desk with my Copics, and I've used cool greys and some of the lighter pinks as well, just to colour in that image. Now I'm colouring in my little mice, and I just batched coloured them because there was quite a few of them, so I just went in with my darkest Copic and then next lightest one and so on, and just blended the colours together. I just went over the top at the end with the C00 just to lighten them up a little bit. And they were done. And now I'm just adhering all of my pieces on to the card. So just also working out where I wanted the mice to go as I was going along. Had one hiding under the chair and one on the shelf with this little glue gun. I was just working out how that would look. So I decided the shelf first, and then to tuck the other one sort of behind that shelf a little bit, just to look like he was sitting on the shelf a bit more. So all the little mice were adhered on, and then I stamped out the sentiment in some Versamark ink and white embossed it on some black card and cut that into strips and just pop that on the top left of the card. I also used one of my stitch rectangles to cut out the rectangle, and I mounted that on a craft card base. So I hope you enjoyed the card. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again next time.